This is Kiwi, my Indian ringneck parrot. Once I get it zoomed in, there we go. He is plucking at his feathers. Not really plucking, just grooming his feathers.
Kiwi! Kiwi!
And this is my stepdaughter Bailey, one of Kiwi's buddies.
Kiwi! He just picked a feather out of his
And the other animals aren't in here, but we'll focus on Kiwi a little bit.
Kiwi!
Kiwi's kind of goofy, ain't he?
Yes, he really is. You need to get him some new toys, though.
Yeah, I need to get him some more toys.
Kiwi! Are you just grooming your feathers? You're just cleaning your feathers. Aww.
Ringneck parrots are very loud, obnoxious, but they are a lot of fun. I wouldn't trade him for the world.
He is so green and so crazy.
We are animal lovers, and we have 3 dogs, 2 cats, an outside-inside cat, and a hamster, and of course Kiwi. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.